Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This will be a white build and that's 3070 white edition from Zotac, and this is Thermaltake white case. I'll be mentioning all the prices in the description box with the links of Amazon and our website, because the prices of GPU are going crazy. The RAM prices are going really up, so it's better to put the links because most of the people will be watching the video in the future. So till the time the price doesn't get stable, I will be putting the links in the description box below instead of saying the price on the video. So do check the link of Amazon and our website both here. The total price for the PC is 2,45,000 rupees. That doesn't include any peripherals or monitor. So yeah, this is what we have: the Ryzen 9 5900X along with 3070 white build. So let's begin with the PC parts, what we're gonna use in this build, and then we'll assemble the PC. Let's begin with the PC components which we're gonna use in this build. For the case, we have got Thermaltake S300 white color. For processor, we have got AMD Ryzen 9. This is 5900X, 12 core, 24 thread, a wonderful processor. For motherboard, I'm gonna use ROG Strix Asus B550F Gaming Wi-Fi, one of my favorite B550 motherboards. For RAM, we are going with Trident Z Neo from G-Skill. This is a 32 gigs, that is 16x2, and that latency is CL16. This is what we're gonna use for this build. For primary storage, we are going with 970 EVO plus 500 GB. We're not going with Gen 4. It does support Gen 4. However, customer has requested that he'll spend some money on Gen 4 later on. So we're going with Gen 3. This is cheaper. A 970 EVO plus M.2, and this is NVMe 500 GB. For storage, we are going with Seagate 1TB hard drive. This is 7200 RPM. For graphic card, we have got Zotac RTX 3070. This is white color. This will match our white build theme. And for power supply, we have got Antec High Current Gamer. This is HCG 850 watt. It's fully modular gold series and comes with 10-year warranty. This is what we're gonna use for this build. For cooler, we are going with NZXT Kraken X63. There are cooler available in white color, however we don't want to compromise in the performance, and NZXT Kraken has got the best performance in cooling, so we are going with Kraken X63. The cabinet doesn't comes with fans, so we have to add it additionally. This is MSI Mag Forge Fan. This is RGB. As the front is not mesh, it won't be visible, but we still wanted to put few fans, and that to increase the airflow. Also, it will look better when it will be in dim light condition, because it's a white color, it will reflect back. So these are the final components of this build, and all the links are given in the description box. You can check the latest price going via that link. So let's begin the PC build now. The thermal paste is pre-applied, so you don't have to add more paste here, so this will be fine. So we are done with the PC build. This is how it looks from the front. It is flat, white, beautiful look. However, the mesh is missing. In such an expensive build, I would not recommend to go with such kind of build. Go with a mesh cabinet in the front. Although we have added 3 fans here, it is inlet, it is working as inlet, and it is taking airs from here on the side and on the bottom. The cooler we have mounted on the top, and it is giving outlet, so warmer air is coming out of here. And this is also, the rear fan is also working as outlet. If in case it is meshed, that would have taken much air, and the airflow should be better, but still it's not bad. I think this will able to manage the temps. We will be doing stress test to check the temps, and then if in case everything goes well for 3-4 hours, this is gonna be shipped to the customer. This is 2.5 lakh rupees build, super expensive, looks great. The cabinet is quite heavy. If in case someone is looking for a heavy cabinet, then you may consider it. But although nothing so bad, nothing so good about this cabinet. The GPU looks great in white color. The Zotac, we have got CL16 RAM, and that's Neo, performs really well with Ryzen. What else we have? The NZXT is non-RGBs. On the pump has the RGB option, but if in case you spend 2-3 thousand rupees more, you'll able to get the ARGB version, which has the fan RGB, ARGB, and the cooler as well. The Z series does have the option to display temps and other features on the pump. So yeah, this is how it looks. Let me show you the another view of this. So this is how it looks. The white color looks great. The black and white color combination is great. If in case you want to spend some extra money, throw 1500-2000 rupees more for the sleeved cable, black and white, that would be better. So this is all about the build, and that's about it. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope you have liked it. Do subscribe our channel if in case you have liked it, and don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. All the product link are mentioned in the description box below for both Amazon and our website, so do check them out for latest price for this build. Maybe in future this will cost you 2 lakh rupees. Today it's for 2.5. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye, and I'll see you in the next one. And guys, do check out the techmartunbox.com chat option, and you can contact us via chat for PC and PC query. sales@techmartunbox.com is what you can contact via email, and the numbers is already given on the website. So our executives are waiting for your call, SMS for your PC bills. Stay connected with them as well.